Good morning, welcome to Go Venture Show. And this is a show that we look at business issues and we also go further to look at the technology issues. So for the last few days, I've been looking at the technology, and one of the reasons as to why I'm leaning much more in technology is because I see opportunities coming in. You know what happened last year, November? We had artificial intelligence being released to the public, and that is an opportunity by itself, and that is why I have taken an initiative to make people know about artificial intelligence and some of the platforms that they can actually use to be able to do some of the things that they do. You know, I've lived through the entire computer age, and I'll tell you that in the last 25 years, we've had what I call three technological changes, massive technological changes. The first one was in 1998 when the internet was released to the public, and you actually see what happened to it after that, especially in the marketing. The second one was in 2007 when Apple produced the first smartphone, not the first smartphone, but a smartphone called the iPhone, and actually sold it into the market. In fact, it is usually called the iPhone moment. And that was the start of the immense development of applications and also social media, the development of social media that you see here. Now, last year, something else happened. There's a tectonic change that happened in the technological arena, where artificial intelligence was released to the public through ChatGPT. And I can say here, honestly, that in the next 3 years, you will see great things happening in artificial intelligence. So that is why I've taken it as an initiative to try and help people to actually understand what they can do with the platforms that are there. First, because you can develop a platform, but if it is not being used, it is not important. Now, many people have asked me where I get some of these applications or where to get these applications. And I want to show you a website or a website that actually helps me to know what is happening in a technology arena. And this website is called the Future Tools. If you look at this website, it has different areas in different areas or categories of areas, and the AI or the artificial intelligence platforms that are coming there. So what usually happens is that you just click on gaming, like gaming. And what it will do is that it will give you a list of artificial intelligence platforms that are there for gaming. So you can see it has already done that. The tool for gaming assets, tool for characters to have a natural conversation, a platform to create 3D content, text, and modeling. So you have some few gaming platforms that are there in the Future Tools. So that is where I usually get some of these platforms. So today I wanted to look at a very important platform that I like, a platform that can help small businesses to start to actually develop their own website. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to come here in Future Tools, and I will write web design, and then I click because I'm finding web design platforms. So what Future Tools will do is that it will give me the different platforms that are there. So you can see it has already given me the Wishpod, your AI, we have the design AI, we have the durable, we have the studio, we have the $1 million. All these are AI-powered landing page builder. All these are different platforms that you can use to actually develop a website for your business. So I wanted to look at Maxio here. So I'll click on Maxio here. I'll click on Maxio. You can see it has taken me to Maxio. Then after going to Maxio, then this is one of the tools that you can use to actually develop a website. So I'll visit Maxio. I will visit Maxio. So it is opening, but it is slow. My computer is a bit slow. So this is Maxio for you. Launch a startup in a second with AI. So it helps you to actually develop a business website for your small business. Have an idea of a startup product or services. Our AI builder helps entrepreneurs quickly launch and validate their business idea. So what you need to do is to come here to, most cases I tell people to come here and get started with a free plan. The free plan is important because it gives you an opportunity to actually know how to use the product before you even pay for it. So when you get there, then Maxio will ask you to actually come up with a title of the website or what you want to do with the website. So it is not possible for me actually now because I had already made one called the Grant Pro. And if you actually click on that website that it developed for me, you can see it. So I wanted to develop a website or a page for helping people to fund their businesses, their projects and all that. And you can see it gave me a very good name, Grant Pro, that I can call my website. Then it has the name, funding your mission, elevating your impact. You can see here our team of experts help non-profits secure the funding. They need to make a difference in their community. Then on top of that, you have the Grant Pro, the grant writing strategy helped me. This is somebody who is trying to put a tick on it that they helped him. So maximizing funding. So you can actually remove some of these photos and put whatever you want to put there. There's an icon that helps you to do that. Streamlined grant writing processes. So all these are information that has actually been put there by the AI. So within a minute, I had this website or page. Allow me to call it a page. And this is a page that I can use very easily, especially when it comes to the grant writing. If I want a page for grant writing, for grant writers, or that brings together people who want to learn how to write grants, this is a very simple page that was made for me by the Maxio AI. Now, the good thing about it is that people can even put their contacts. Like now, you can see davidkabata.com. So submit it. After submitting it, will actually be in touch soon. So it will actually put the email in your small database that it has actually given you, and therefore you can collect emails and other addresses that you want from your participants very easily. And it's a very good concept, especially when you want to go to bring a product into the market or put a product into the market, and you do not want to go the whole hog of developing a website for it, because maybe you want to test the market. So you can use Maxio to develop a simple page for you, a simple site for you. And through that, you can be able to know whether your product is working or not. So I can edit this site. I've told you that if I wanted to edit that site, it gives me an opportunity. So you can see, like now, if you look at this name here, padding your mission, elevating your impact. I may not like the name because I want it to be a bit simpler for people to learn, but I still can be able to change it. So this is where I was telling you that you can be able to develop your landing page. So you come here, you can see what it is asking you. It is asking you to describe your page. So maybe here you can come and write, create a page for my startup foundation that train youth on starting simple ventures. Starting simple ventures. So that is what I want to do. So I've told it what I want to do. Then maybe I can come here and tell it to generate the page now. I actually don't want many other things. Generate the page. So let us see the kind of the page that is going to be generated by this AI. We're generating the page. So let me open it. So the problem is that the free plan allows one page actually. I think that is why we cannot be able to see the page, but you can see how you do it. So the free plan will help you to actually develop the page that you already have. Develop a page as quickly as possible. So they only allow you one. So if you want more than that, then you can pay for the product. But you can see the page is already there. I have regenerated the page. So you can see the page is already there. Unlocking funding for non-profits, making organization. So this is the one that I had made. Enter your email and get started. So this one looks better. I think this is what I should use now. So working with a grant flow was a game changer for organization, their expertise. And so all this is developed by that. So it's a very simple page. It takes you about 1 or 2 minutes to do it. So thank you very much for reasoning. I just hope that I have added value in your life. And you are going to use a mixo to try and develop some landing pages for the products that you want to come up with. So thank you very much and have a nice day. So I'm trying to go back to my situation.